Now, let's proceed to bitwise operators. Bitwise operators perform operation on individual bits of binary numbers. These operators are often used in low-level programming and optimization. For the first one, we have AND operator that uses the sign ampersand. The AND bitwise operator in Python performs a bitwise AND operation on each pair of corresponding bits of two integers and result in a new integer where each bit is set to 1 only if the corresponding bit in both operands are also 1. Otherwise, the result of bit is set to 0. For example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. Print column A and B. In this example, the binary representation of A is O0B0101. The binary representation of B is 0B0011. The AND sign operator performs a bitwise AND operation on each pair of corresponding bits. The result is 0B0001, which is 1 in decimal. For example, next, OR bitwise operator. A bitwise OR operator on each pair of corresponding bits of two integers. It results in new integer where each bit is set to 1 if at least one of the corresponding bits in the operands is 1. If both bits are 0, the result bit is set to 0. The binary representation of A is 0B0101. The binary representation of B is 0B0011. The operator performs a bitwise OR operation on each pair of corresponding bits. The result is 0B0111, which is 7 in decimal. Exclusive OR result in a new integer where each bit is set to 1 if the corresponding bits in the operands. The difference column, one bit is 1 and the other is 0. If both bits are the same column, either both 0 or both 1, the result bit is set to 0. In this example, the binary representation of A is 0B0101. The binary representation of B is 0B0011. The operator performs a bitwise XOR operation on each pair of corresponding bits. The result is 0B0110, which is 6 in decimals. In this example, next is NOT or not bitwise operator. It flips the bits changing 1 seconds to 0 and 0 to 1 seconds. The result is the 2's complement of the given integer. For example, the binary representation of A is 0B0101. The operator performs a bitwise NOT operation on each bit. The result depends on the platform and is usually in 2's complement form. In this example, the output is -6. In conclusion, the bitwise operators in Python encompassing AND, OR, XOR, and NOT are indispensable tools for manipulating individual bits with within integers representation. And the operator selectively set bits to 1 if both corresponding bits are 1, useful for isolating specific bits. The OR operator combines bits, setting them to 1 if at least 1 is 1, beneficial for merging state and setting specific bits. The XOR operator exclusive OR toggles bits if they differ effectively for toggling specific flags and comparing states. And NOT operators inverts each bit's fundamental for flipping all bits and creating bit marks.